Everyone says Ibiza is expensive, but we wanted to find out just how expensive.
So today, we're going to track every single dollar we spent during our Virgin Voyages stop in Ibiza.
Good morning!
Oh, what day is it?
Day 5.
Day 5, let's go! It's Ibiza day.
Ibiza day.
We need to get
We're
some
gonna party
breakfast.
so hard today.
Breakfast, then what are we doing?
Lounging.
Yes.
So I tried to go a little bit healthier this morning. All of this is Denver's. This is mine. I got some overnight oats and mango chia pudding, eggs, sausage, hash brown, French toast, breakfast sandwich. All right, I didn't get a spoon, so I'm gonna eat my chia pudding with a fork. I love chia pudding. Bon appetit. Oh, the mango is super sweet.
That smells so good. And I'm usually not a hash brown guy.
It is really good now. If you're new to our channel, we are Denver&Teresa. We are on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady enjoying our honeymoon after our dream wedding in Tuscany, Italy. The start of our cruise had us visit Cannes, France and Palma de Mallorca. Now it's time to explore Ibiza.
What's wild is this men's washroom. You gotta pee with a view. It's pretty epic.
After a little resting on the ship this morning, it's time to disembark the ship.
Coming into port. Our window telling us that we're coming into port.
This is a perfect window, and we didn't have to spend an extra $1,000.
Right? It's the best window on the ship. All right, we're ready for Ibiza. Look at Teresa looking like a sexy wife.
Now, our first cost that we should mention is the cost to get to Ibiza, aka our cruise cost, which comes in at $4,415. Now, that is a 12-day cruise that starts in Barcelona. Day 2 was Cannes, then Palma de Mallorca, now we're in Ibiza, and later we'll be going to Ajaccio, La Spezia, and Rome, and then back to Barcelona.
After you get off the ship, you follow the path and it brings you to the Virgin Voyage shuttle buses that are going to take you into the city center. Luckily, these are free, so we are still at $0 for the day. And the cool thing about them is that they are running until 7 a.m. in the morning for the people that are going to the nightclubs.
After we get off the bus, it's time to find a taxi to take us to our next destination. It is actually super easy to find the taxis because just ahead of where the bus drops you off is a lineup of taxis waiting for passengers at the Ibiza ferry terminal.
Taxis in Ibiza do have set rates, €4 base fare and then €1.21 per kilometer during the daytime. After about a 30-minute drive, the total cost of the taxi was €25. Now it's time to head inside and enjoy the Blue Marlin Beach Club. Kitty!
Oh, he's a young kitty.
Kitty! He's just small.
No, he's young. All right, so we just arrived at the Blue Marlin in Ibiza, and it's time to get our beach vibe on.
It's really beautiful here, although it seems quiet so far. It is only 1 o'clock, so hopefully, well, you know what? We like quiet anyway, so we might just say we want to party.
We're only at the entrance, so let's go check in and see what the vibe is like.
All right.
We really enjoyed our time at the Blue Marlin. It was a great atmosphere that was right on the shoreline. We checked into our reservation that we booked months ago, found our sun loungers, and it was time to relax. But when we went back to the washrooms, we discovered the kitty cats that were there. Turns out the owner helps to take care of stray cats. We saw a lot of feeding bowls and water in the staff areas. Some cats were friendlier, but most of them stayed to themselves. I will say that I thought the sand was a little bit rocky in some areas if you didn't have your sandals on though. Other than that, this place was amazing.
It was a bit wavy on the day we visited, and there was a pier to go into the water. The steps did lead into larger rocks, but once you got a few feet past that, it was all soft sand.
Oh boy.
Now let's talk cost. We booked the single sun lounger for 2 people at a cost of a minimum spend of 70 euros plus a 30 euro rent fee with a deposit required. So we had to pay a deposit of 200 euros in order to confirm the booking. We ended up buying several frosty mango drinks, which were 17 euros each, water, the steak sandwich, 30 euros each, chicken wraps, 23 euros, and french fries, 12 euros. By the time we were done, we went past our minimum spend, and once the tip was added, we had a total of 215 euros.
We have been suntanning for 6 hours. We went in the ocean. We had a great afternoon at Ibiza. And we are exhausted. We're tired. Time to go back to the cruise ship.
Go back to the cruise and eat and go to bed.
No, we're actually gonna come back out after dinner. We're gonna hit the nightclub until 7:15 a.m. The cruise has a shuttle bus that goes all the way till 7:15. So I guess the nightclubs don't have a cutoff time here. So we'll see how long we get.
After enjoying our relaxing afternoon, it was time to head back. Taking the taxi back cost us another 25 euros. We came back to the cruise ship for dinner since we had already paid for that food.
Yep, we're back on the ship. Time to officially do a redo. We're going to Galley again. Galley. Gonna get some dinner, and then if we're feeling up to it, we might go back out to explore Ibiza, but probably no clubs.
Yeah, definitely no. Definitely no.
We're showered, refreshed, we're ready to go. There's like nobody on board. Like almost everybody is off the boat and they're in Ibiza right now. We're like one of like the 10% that are left on the cruise ship. But free food. We already spent so much on the cruise. Why would we go eat off of the boat? That's
Exactly.
basically our mindset.
Hello.
We're at the tail by ourselves. With a nice view behind us.
We did gun bait for the second time. Our first was on day 1 of the cruise. This is where we met our friends Alex and Veronica for the first time. We ended up spending a lot of time with them on our cruise and are still in contact with them since they were from Toronto like us.
We just finished Galley. They actually had some new food, new specials. That was actually really nice.
That was really good.
It was different food.
Yeah, it worked out.
I'm stuffed.
I'm so full.
I'm full. But I
Keep
want to
leaving dinner so full.
So full. We have a couple options. Go play games. We could do karaoke. Hot tub is an option. Or because we're in Ibiza, we could go back. And what we didn't do, we went to a beach club right away. We didn't actually explore anything.
But what are we gonna explore? It's nighttime. There's nothing to explore.
So I kind of want to go back to the city center and just walk around, see what we can find.
What are we gonna explore? How bad do you want to go? We just made new friends. People from Toronto, and they're on their honeymoon too. They just got married, and we met them at Gun Bay, and now they're going to karaoke. I don't want to go to karaoke.
How badly do I want to go explore Ibiza versus sing karaoke? What do you guys think?
Take 9.
Boo!
After dinner and a shower, it's time to head back out to Ibiza at 11 p.m. at night.
Act enthusiastic and you'll be enthusiastic. Act enthusiastic and you'll be enthusiastic. Guys, I convinced Teresa.
No, you didn't.
What do you mean?
I'm not happy about it.
But I convinced you.
I'm not convinced.
We're off the ship.
I'm not convinced though.
How can you not?
I gave in.
I thought that's like the same thing.
In my mind, it's different.
It's the same thing. And there's a castle at the top of this hill. We might make it there.
We're absolutely not making it there. The fuck?
On the bus ride in, you can now see how the ship lights up to spell Ibiza on the side of the ship.
I just feel like we need to be, I don't know, more adventurous. Like go out late. We never go out late. We go to sleep early all the time.
Okay, you're right. You're right. Okay, I'm pumped.
Teresa's excited now.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
It's our honeymoon.
It's our honeymoon.
It's our fucking honeymoon.
Beautiful weather. It's our honeymoon. Let's go.
Let's fucking do it. We have nothing to do tomorrow.
Just shout. Just shout. Let's fucking go.
Let's fucking go.
That's Teresa's shout.
Only one's on here.
It's just us.
Yes. We started by walking along the pier and discovered a lot of cool restaurants and shops. But now it's time to hike up the hill.
That Tuesday night when you left me behind, I was so done with trying to make it right. 또 떠나는 날 깨진 유리 같은 맘 Oh my oh why 돌고 돌아 언젠간 나도 운명적인.
After an hour and a lot of climbing, we finally made it to the castle of Ibiza.
But trust ain't easy anymore. No, don't waste
And look at that view. It's really pretty.
the door. Make it right off from the start. I need it real. I need it loud. No halfway love. No talk it out. Talk it out.
I guess there was a bit of a chance after all. Teresa, where are we?
We're at the castle.
Oh man, I've never sweat so much so late at night before. It's midnight. It's midnight here.
It's actually 12:15.
Yeah. We're at the top. We're right by Ibiza Castle, overlooking. It's beautiful, the lights of the city. The city was stunning. It was
really pretty. Popping. So many restaurants that are like very unique and fun that we passed by. So many different. There was one, like one of the restaurants was like had lanterns hanging down at each table. It was like really cool. So many unique, fun places. So.
yeah. We went through the bottom of the strip and it was like jamming. You know, the promoters are like, come to our place, come to our place. And then like 2 corners later, cobblestone streets and it's empty and quiet. We didn't even hear the noise until we got back all the way to the top.
Yeah. It was really, really odd. Like one corner was like dead silent. We're like,
Yeah.
okay.
And then it was a 15, 20-minute climb up and it was
But
high.
steep. It was like this.
Very steep.
Like literally like this.
That
Oh,
was
I'm
one of
sweating.
the toughest hikes I've ever done, but it was worth it.
Yeah.
Teresa did it. Good
Yep.
job, Teresa.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna take a minute, enjoy the view before we head back down. And then it's buonanotte.
Buonanotte.
I need a water though.
Yeah, me too.
Walking back down, we did a great job of not spending any more money. And that brings us to our Ibiza day total. 25 for the taxi ride, 215 at the Blue Marlin Beach Club, and another 25 euros home. Add in the fridge magnet, and that brings our day's total to 270 euros. The taxis were reasonable, but that beach club was definitely pretty expensive. But we saved a lot of money by not going out to the nightclubs. We had some people tell us they spent over $1,000 at the nightclubs there. Crazy!
Good morning. It's now day 6 of our 12-day cruise and it's a sailing day. The ship left port at 8 a.m. so by the time we woke up we were in the middle of the ocean. It's time to enjoy the day as we sail towards our next destination of Ajaccio, France. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see that video next week.
So what do you do to stay busy on a sailing day? Well, you start with breakfast, of course, and then you tan, a little blackjack, some bingo, and then it's lunchtime. Don't forget your ice cream, a comedy show, chess game, dinner at the wake, more games, karaoke, and that's all for the night.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for next week's video in Ajaccio, France.
Let's go!
Hey, all right.
Let's go!
Stay on up here, because I think we got something to plug. Someone told me that you're podcasters? Is that true?
Yeah,
Is it do you podcast and vlog together?
we have a podcast.
Oh my god. All right, plug it. Plug it.
It's Thread Talk Podcast.
What is it called?
Thread Talk.
Thread Talk Podcast. Everybody, pull out your phones. Give them a nice follow.
I'm dead.
Go listen to the podcast. Thank you so much for singing, everybody. This
I mean, I could do this all day.
Can they come to our cabana?
What?
Can they come to our cabana? What am I supposed to do? Don't bite me.